Hello and welcome to my TicTacToe game, which has both the terminal program and the graphic user interface. So first and foremost, I'll take you through the terminal program, which begins from here, the class TicTacToe, which has methods such as the terminal state, which checks if the program has ended and assigns the winner to either X or O, and also checks who is the winner. That is the def winner method over here. Then we also have the utility method, which assigns 1 or -1, depending on who the winner is, either X or O. And then I also have my minimax decision here algorithm or method. Then you have the test move method. Then to the beginning of my program, which is the meet and greet method, which has the computer name and the username as global variables, right? So this aspect is where the user greets the AI, and the AI also does the same to the user before the game begins, right? And this is the method where the user gets to play with the AI, which begins by calling the meet and greet method before using either the minimax algorithm or damping the AI so that it doesn't play optimally by making random moves or arbitrary moves on the grid. Yeah, so without wasting much time, I would like to run the program for you to see. And moreover, the program also has a data structure, which is the hash map, which stores the score of each player in the sense that if the player wants to play more than one game, the scores keeps updating until the user decides to stop the game. So now I'd like to run the program. Yes, so this is the meet and greet method, which is displayed here. It says my name is Ronnie, and the name keeps changing because I imported a name function or module. So it says my name is Ronnie, and what's your name? So my name is Thomas. It says can we begin the game now? And say yes. And it says choose the playing mode. So if I choose easy, it dumps down the AI from playing optimally. And if I choose hard, it makes the AI play optimally. So let me say I want to choose hard and I don't want to go first. So it says the current player is Ronnie and Ronnie played 0-0. Right? So I would also like to play 0-1. Then I'll play 2-0. Then I'll play 1-2. And it says congratulations, Ronnie, which is the AI. You lose, Thomas, go and prepare and come back. And it assigns the score here, Thomas to 0 and Ronnie to -1. So from here, I can decide to play a game and either choose the easy or hard mode, or I can decide to end the program by saying no, which terminates the program. It says bye, Thomas, and thanks for coming. Okay, so now I would like to walk you through the TicTacToe graphic user interface I created, which has the width and the height and the line width and other attributes which are used in creating the grid. We also have the background color, the line color, which is also part of making the grid look presentable, right? So I have a method which is called the draw lines, which draws both the vertical and horizontal lines you see in the state of the grid. We also have the draw figures, which also draws the shape of X or O. Then we have the max square, we have the available square, which checks whether a particular grid or square in the grid is available to be played or for the user to make a move over there. We also have the win checker, which checks who wins or which particular player won the game. And then we have the vertical winner. This is to draw a particular or give a particular background color if the user won on a vertical move, right? If, let's say, player O appeared 3 times vertically on a row, then it gives it a background color stating who the winner was, right? The same applies to the horizontal winner, the ascending diagonal, then the descending diagonal as well. Then we have the restart method, which if the user would like to restart the game, then just like the terminal program, I have the meet and greet as well, where you would have to choose either easy or hard, where easy dumps down the AI and hard makes the AI play optimally. Right. So from there, I would like to run the program for you. Yes, so now we can see the graphical user interface here bar, which doesn't display anything because we would have to first enter the prompts here before we can see the graphic user interface. So it says, hello, my humble competitor. My name is Rodney. May I know yours? My name is Thomas. Then it says, choose the playing mode. Let's say I want to dump down the AI, play one. Then would you like to play first? I would say yes. And it says, all right, you are O. So if I come back to the graphical user interface, I now see the grid lines and everything displaying. So now I can choose which particular position I want to move. So let's say I want to play here. It says you played position 00 and computer played position 02, which you can see here. Then it's your turn to play, Thomas, waiting for your signal. So I can decide to play this particular position. Then the AI also played this particular position. Mind you, it's not playing optimally because it's not blocking me because I chose the easy mode, right? So for me, I can decide to play here. Then finally, I can decide to play here. Yes, this is congratulations, Thomas. You now have a score of 1. And this shows that the vertical would move or it's giving it a background color of yellow because I won on a vertical move, right? The same applies to if I had won on a diagonal move, it would have also given it a background color of the same yellow you see here. So that is all. Thank you for listening. Bye.